Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. All right, guys, here we are at the last session. सिमरत शास्त्र वेद सब बहुभेद कहे हम एक न जानियो सिरियस पान कृपा तुमरी कार्य मैं न कहियो सब तो है बखानियो दोहरा. So let's get started. So Simrit, 27 Simratiyan. So what I've done here, I've written everything out. And I'll show it to you now so you guys can start writing some of that. Simrite Simratiyan, Sastra, the Shastras, Ved are the Veds. Sab sare baho bahut भेद फर्क कहें कहिंदे हम दासन दास एक एक न नहीं जानियो जानदा भाव मानदा. So Guru Gobind Singh said, Maharaj Ji is writing this. So the 27 Simritiyan, the Sheh Sastra, the 4 Veds, Sabah, all, Baho, many, Ved, difference, Keh, say, Hum, so just going to ignore this hum, me, ek, one, na, don't, janeo, understand, meaning obey. So the Simriti, Shastras, and Veds, all these scriptures speak of many different ways, but I do not obey any of these. Hey Kirpanu wielder Vaheguru Ji, Sri Asapan Ji. Let's get to that. Sri Asapan, Kripa Tumari Kare, Maina Kahyo Sab Tohe Bakhane. Sri, sab to vade, Asapan, hath vich khadg farn wale. Asapan, Kripa, grace, Kirpa. तुमरी आप जी दी कार्य करके मैं दासन दास न नहीं कहयो कहया सब सारा सब all तो है आप जी ने बखानियों कहया. So serious upon biggest, Asipan, sword holder in hand. आप अर्थ पहला भी करके आए हैं early in Chaupe Sahib. Kripa, grace, tumri, your kare, did. मैं, me, na, no, कहयो, spoke, sub, all, tohe, you, Bakhaneo, spoke. So, Sirius Pan, Kripa Tumari Kare, मैं ना कहे हो सब तो है बखाने हो। सिमरते शास्त्र वेद सब बहु भेद कहे हम एक न जाने। So the Simriti Shastras and Veds, will translate this all together. All these scriptures speak of you in many different ways, but I do not be of any of these. Hey, Kirpan wielder Vaheguru Ji, by your grace, you have said all this Gurbani. I have not said any of it. Maina kaho sab tohe bukhane ho. Dohara. दोहरा एक छंद दो तुकां वाला दोहरा अर्थ दोहरे दा सगल सारे द्वार द्वारा कोनू छाड़े छाड़े कै के गहयो गहयो मीन्स फड़िया पकड़िया तुहारो आप जी दा द्वार so dohra is a form of a stanza. Sagal is all, Dwar is doors, Ko to, Chade Kya. Chade Kya is left. Gehil is held on to. Tuharo, your Dwar door. बाहें गहें की लाज अस गोबिंद दास तुहार बाहें बाहां गहे फड़न की दी लाज लज्जा है अस है गोबिंद श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह साहब महाराज जी दास दास तुहार आप जी दा बाहें आर्म गहे hold key of large honor us is Govind Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Maharaj Ji Das servant Tohar yours. So leaving all doors, I have held on to your door. You have held on to my arm, saved my honor. I am your servant. So ਸਾਰੇ ਦਵਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਫੜਿਆ ਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਾਸ ਦੀ ਬਾਹ ਫੜੀ ਆ ਲੱਜਿਆ ਰੱਖੀ ਆ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਦਾਸ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਦਾਸ So Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Maharaj Ji is writing this to Akal Purkh Ji. So Simrit Sastar Ved Sabha Bahu Ped Kahe Hum Ek Na Janayo Siriya Sepan Kripa Tumri Kare मैं ना कहे हो सब तोहे बखाने हो दोहरा सगल द्वार का छाड़े कह गहे तुहारो द्वार बाहे गहे की लाज आस गोविंद दास तुहार. Guys, we will sing this now. First, I want you guys to try to put your concentration in the translations that we did. And then we'll move on to the second part. So as I sing, try to focus on the translations and what this means. सिमरत शास्त्र वेद सब बहु भेद कहे हम एक न जानियो सिरियस पान कृपा तुमरी कार्य मैं न कहयो सब तो है बखान्यो। दोहरा सगल द्वार को छाड़े के गयो तुहारो द्वार। बाह गहे की लाज अस गोविंद दास तुहार। Guys, I'll sing this one more time. This time, focus on the ton. So if the mind wanders, bring it back to your own voice. So let's sing this together, either externally or internally. You could sing this, but listen to your own voice. If your mind starts to wander, bring it back. Bring it back to the ton. सिमरत शास्त्र वेद सब बहु भेद कहें हम एक न जानियो। सिरियस पान कृपा तुमरी कार्य मैं न कहयो सब तो है बखानियो। दोहरा सगल द्वार को छाड़े के गयो तुहारो द्वार। वाह गहे की लाज अस गोविंद दास तुहार। All right, guys. So I want you to take about 20 minutes and write what these lines mean to you currently in your life. What does all this mean to you? Have a conversation with Maharaj. After about 20 minutes, I want you to go to the beginning where we started, and we have a section there that we've left open. We haven't written anything down. It's right in the beginning of Chopay Sahib. And we had said, once we finish Chopay Sahib, we will come back here and we will summarize what Chopay Sahib means to us. So after this, I want you guys to go there and take half an hour, take an hour, 45 minutes, and write what Chopay Sahib means to you. Appreciate all you guys taking time out to do this. Maharaj Mehr Khan, Maharaj Kirpa Rakhan. गुरप्रसाद वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।